Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I am standing here as if we were in another jurisdiction, I would be the standing senator. The prosecuting senator. Mr. Speaker, as the senator of Kisii County, this is a very, very deep, sad day for me. I have constantly raised issues about the governance issues in Kisii. I have frequently engaged church leaders. I have talked both with Dr. Monda and Governor Arati. These two gentlemen, it is me who looked for them and told them we can go and win an election. After that, things didn't work well. The issues you see in this house are a consequence of the failure of Kisii County. This matter would never have come here. As a person from the Kisii community, I feel completely humiliated that by people can come here as families and fight over bribes and fight over cutting of trees. When my county has got 16 billion shillings every year, recurrent expenditure is at 7%, and my development expenditure is at 3%. Those are the issues that we have. I have constantly talked with Governor Arati. We were actually beginning to talk and agree how we can consult each other. One of the things I'd asked him to do is make a recommendation so that Dr. Monda cannot be impeached. Because at the end of this, you don't solve this problem unless we look for a way on how we can solve the problem. Dr. Monda was with me in this house, and Arati was in this house with me. I feel really let down. To my sister from Kisii, look at your machine down there. It has 3 buttons. What does it say? One, it says yes, and the other one says no. The third one says abstain. There's a reason why that has been put there. So on this vote, I will abstain. Thank you.
At this juncture, I'll call upon the mover to reply.